Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of My Lover is Dangerous, chapter 6. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Chensi and Yuner. Yuner, she was really singing good. Suddenly Chensi, someone was calling her that she needs to leave for a moment so that she can answer her phone. Right now, Yuner, she was really good at singing. After singing few lyrics, whose call it is, which she answered it immediately, regardless of the occasions. Oh, right now, this girl, she really worried about Nancy or she was really jealous. Yuner, it must be early morning over there. Why are you still not asleep? I miss you so much that I can't sleep. Person that she's talking about right now said to her, Chensi said to the girl, be good and sleep well. Sister Sissy, I will graduate in a few months. Oh, it turns out it was another girl. Who is this girl that she's talking about? Girl said to her, I can't wait to go back to China to see you. Well, it looks like this girl was really fond on her. Chensi, what is she going to do? Since now, Chensi said, I miss you too. Be good and go to bed early. Good night. The girl replied and said good night also. Well, this is it. After this, Chensi dropped the phone down and said to herself, my little fox, finally, you're coming back to me. Oh, this is really troublesome, right? So it means that she has something right now. Well, what about Shang Yuner? After finished talking, right now Chensi came back to her seat. And it really makes sense. Yuner also finished singing right now. It seems that she was really good singer. Mr. O, Director Chen, I'm done singing. Oh, right now, she's already finished. But what about the result? They've really been favored by her. Right now, Director Chen, although you sing well, what is the relationship between this song and the perfume? Now, Director Chen is asking her, what could it be? She answered it right. Right now, look at her, Yuner. In fact, the five senses of people are related. When I smelled the first date, it came to my mind. It turns out she was a little bit poetic. She can compare the song lyrics based on the qualities of the perfume. Of feelings, of heartbeat is the message that the song and the perfume are together. Oh, she really answered well. Well, the director seems to be impressed. Yes, it's very thoughtful and accurate to use songs to illustrate the perfume. Now, finally, she's been favored. Let's hope Director Chen will give her more chance in the future. After hearing the questions, the five senses that Wang Yuner said are common names as synesthesia. Oh, it turns out, oh, she is also a bright person. She can know the meaning of the song of Wang Yuner to her. Well, people with synergy. Oh, right now she was pertaining to her character. Well, did Wang Yuners really investigated her? Numbers, words, and flavors are all color shapes. Well, Yuner. Well, it was really conferring. The song is related to the perfume. It happened to have synergy, but only a few people know. Did she really investigated me or did she happen to be confused? Now, Miss O seems to be interested in the character of young Yuner itself. Miss O, your eyes, but it feels more and frequently looking on me. Oh, this girl right now, she was really blushing. Well, maybe she got really shy. But she really want to get her attention. Oh, right now, the other contestant seems that they're getting jealous. Dr. Chen looks like very satisfied with Wang Yuner. What a seeming girl. Wait and see. Well, it turns out everyone is getting jealous about her, but she's been favored by the rector. That's it for today's interview. You all go back and wait for the instructions. Notification. Everyone seems to be satisfied, but looking at it, the girl seems to be wants to follow her. Now, really got interested. Also, Yuner, she was really good at singing. Now, this girl with the red dress, she was still following her. What about the people? Now she's been looking for Yuner. Yuner answered her and said, "It's here." Oh, right now, it turns out Yuner knows that she's been followed. "Senior, you have been with me for so long. You must have something to say to me." Well, it really makes sense. Right now, Yuner, someone is getting jealous about her. "Wang Yuner, are you the first son from the President's O? The spokesperson has already. Then, you have to ask her." Of course, right now, this girl is really jealous. And it's clearly, "What qualification do you, an 18-line face, have a smiley face in front of me?" Oh, this girl, now. But Yuner, of course, she won't really back down on this. "Oh, you want me to cry?" Yuner said to her. Yuner, she becomes serious right now. But the girl seems to be getting angry. "Don't think that you're only one who has a backstage." She was poking her. "Have more means to make you cry and beg." Wang Yuner, right now, she was looking at her, and it turns out she won't really back down also. This girl has a punishment that needs to be taken care of. Right now, she seems to be surprised by the action of Wang Yuner, and it really makes sense. This girl is getting crazy. "You, how dare you?" Oh, this is it. She really get punished by Wang Yuner, and Yuner seems to be confident on herself. The hand seems to be bouncing. "Senior, I forgot to tell you that I have a history of being impatient." Oh, it really makes sense now. And it is clearly shown that anyone else in industry. She is also powerful. If you are in the bad mood, you will be stressed. Well, definitely Wang Yuner. She was really right on this. This girl seems to be getting angry. "You're also asking for it when you're sick." Right now, Yuner said to her, "Go away." Now this girl seems to be afraid of. Well, Wang Yuner. She is the hard person. This right? And sometimes she's really crazy. After the confrontations already done, Yuner said to herself that it was really boring. Right now, it turns out is on her back at this moment. "I think you are very energetic." It goes down in her face. Well, definitely Miss O. She was really believe on her. I was seen by her. Seems to be confused. Also a little bit worried about this. What will happen to her? She really wanted the job. But what about the president's actions right now? Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.